Hello everyone, my name is Chen from UIUC. Today I am going to present our work on exploring the complementary feature of audio and text notes for video-based learning in mobile setting. I also thank my coworker Dennis Wang from UCI and my advisor Huang, also from UIUC, to work on this project. Starting from the motivation, there are extensive work that designed and evaluated note-taking tools in different modalities: text, audio, image. They have also been studied in various contexts such as classroom and catering areas on campus. Um, Within all those modalities of note-taking tools, audio note-taking tools are become more and more popular, given the convenience to have recordings and playbacks. Therefore, it is natural to ask this research question: how do people take text and audio notes in various mobility contexts when conducting video-based learning? To address this research question, we first designed and implemented a mobile note-taking tool that has two versions. There's a text version and there's an audio version. On the left side, we can see video is shown on the very top of the interface, and in the middle, there's a button to input notes while watching video, and below are interactive notes taken for a certain video. On the right side, we can take a closer look on what are the interactive features. By clicking on the timestamps, users can jump to the timestamps where notes were taken. Then there's a button to play audio notes. There's a label to change the color of the note, and there's a label to show note content. For audio version, audio converted to text is shown here. There's also a delete note button. Coming to the study design, we invited 16 participants, mostly graduate students, to use our tool to take notes while watching 4 STEM videos under 2x2 conditions: audio versus text, and mobile versus non-mobile. For all 4 conditions, participants took notes in self-selected contexts, which they naturally have note-taking needs, and they took NASA TLX test after each condition. Towards the end of the study, each participant participated in an exit interview to talk about their note-taking experience and their perception of the video. We were able to get the following findings. We found audio notes were significantly longer than text notes. They included expressions in natural language. Text notes included keywords instead of full sentences. Audio notes had more full sentences, some emotional response, and even some repeating sentences of the original video content. Secondly, we found that the cognitive load of different note-taking modality is perceived differently by individuals. The interview results show audio notes are more accessible when people are in different movements, but it is also impacted by different contextual factors, such as someone's presence nearby. And there are more accuracy issues due to the speech-to-text recognition. Then, to take a closer look at what are the notes participant took, we openly coded note content based upon their relationship with the original video transcript. We have 3 types of note. A is structural information, B is detailed information, C is interpretation. We found participants took more audio notes for unfamiliar contexts, like shown in the figure below. The second video on dark matters, which is perceived the most difficult, has 90% more audio notes than text notes. Our findings have several implications for further work. Future note-taking tools can detect contextual factors to set a default note-taking modality and also integrate human-typed notes with descriptive video captions. Then a speech-to-text algorithm could be applied to remove parts that may have more privacy-sensitive notes. The last is the complementary character of text and audio notes can be leveraged to promote accessibility in learning.